welcome back to Gaming Lab 109. Remember how I said if someone liked the video, my dog Birdie would come in. I hear something going on back there. I actually like my videos, so it counted. So I just wanted to bring him into the room. It's so cute. Okay, so I put him into my room. Want to see him? No. Where are you? Come on, get on the camera. Get on the camera, little guy. Oh, he's just walking around. This is the first actual live animal I brought into my room on this, on YouTube. Probably one of them. Hey, here he is. My little boy. Oh. He may smell like garbage, but he's very nice. And as big as me! Just kidding. Sorry you didn't get to see her. So here's what she looks like. Not on my actual bed. Come here, Herbie, come here. Herbs! So, here's where she is. Resting right here. You can't really see her. I'm gonna fix it. Watch. I'll fix it, don't worry. Okay. Oh my god, I'm tapping screen like it just don't care. Oh god, my screen's about to fall again. Okay, so I'm gonna fix everything. Sorry if my iPad's ringing. This is my new keyboard. It doesn't really allow me to do that stuff. Like really record really that well. Because it's so heavy. Oh, my boy Furby, come here. Come back. Want to hop on bed with all my other stuffed animals? Wait, Mr. Kitty? Come on, hop up. Mr. Evil King, you want to hop up? Hop up. Oh, God. I got him. Got my dog. What's the bed, little guy? Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Ain't that the song? Okay. So, Mr. Evil Kitty, would you like to meet him? No. Why would you not like to meet him? Because he's a dog, and I'm afraid of dogs. Dude, I better walk out of here. My head's still crooked for some reason, so I'm gonna walk out. Whee! Oh, I'm just gonna come back up again. Meet Mr. Evil Kitty. I'm actually one of the main characters, you know. I'm pretty sure you're not Mr. Evil Kitty. Actually, you kind of are. Would you like to meet Mr. Pikachu? Pikachu! Pika! Would you like Mr. Creeper? Oh no, he's about to light on fire. Charizard Pikachu! Oh, that boy is not sexy, so I'm not getting near him. Oh, no, you're finished. And for the final one, Mr. Teddy Bear, don't get close to him. He might eat you. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. Nice to meet you. How you doing, son? Yep, he's hopping off the bed. He doesn't like him. Really. Want to hop off? Want to hop off? No. If you want to hop off, I can always get another spot. Okay, I guess he's comfortable. So, he's comfortable right now. I don't know if I'll ever get him off my bed. Oh, yeah, there's an exit way right there. Oh, yeah. Look, this way. The exit way is that way. If you want to exit, it's this way. Yeah, I forgot. You broke your leg once. You're not good at walking, really. Oh, yeah, I forgot that. Is he kicking? I think he's really kicking me. Oh, good to go. Okay, now. Oh, God, are you okay? Are you okay, Mr. Cookie? I think he just died. No, he's alive. Okay. He's doing well. I just need to let him go now. Out of my room. Okay, time for you to go, buddy. Go, buddy. Okay, so she's out. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Okay, so he's out now. I don't know what I should do. Suggest on the comments what I should do. Maybe I'll do another video, a random one, again, next time. Bye.